Welcome to Applied Logics. In this video, we will write a program to add two given numbers. For example, if you have an input with two numbers as a 2 and 8, your program should return 10 as the result. Let's take one more example. If you have two another numbers as a 10 and 20, in this case, your program should output 30 as the result. So let's see how we can implement this in Java. Okay, so I'm creating a solution file over here. I'm giving name as a solution.java to it. Okay, so you can see a solution class over there. Let's go ahead and add main method, that is public static void main. And yes, as per the syntax, let's pass the string array args to it. Okay, now let's take two numbers as a number 1, let's say num number 1 equals to 2, and take one more number, that is number 2 equals to 8. Let's take one variable called as a result, and we will store the sum of the two numbers in a result. Now how you will calculate the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so it's similar to what we used to do with our regular arithmetic operation. We have a plus operator for that, and you have to pass two numbers to it, like number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so once you add these two numbers with the plus operator, the result of your operation will get stored in a result variable. Now let's print that variable with system.out.println. Okay, and here you will say that sum is. Okay, and you will simply put the result over here. So with that, what you are doing, you have taken two variables, that is number 1 and number 2, and you calculated sum of these two numbers using plus operator. Okay, and you stored the result in a result variable, and you are displaying your output with a system.out.println statement. Okay, now let's see how we can run this program. Now initially you can see I have only solution.java file with me. Now whenever you want to run it, first you have to compile it. Okay, so for compilation we have a command called as a javac, and then you have to pass the solution.java file to it. So once you hit that command, you can see solution.class file got generated after compilation. Now once you have the .class file with you, you can easily go ahead and run your code with java space solution. You don't have to specify the extension. Yeah, so once you run it, you can see that the answer sum is 10. Let's go back to the code and change the input, like instead of a 2 and 8, I'll be adding, let's say, 10 and 20. So in this case, your program should return 30 as the output. So let's check if it works or not. So I'm compiling the code one more time, and I have to run it by using java space solution, and here is the output. It says sum is 30. Yes, so with this you can achieve addition of two numbers by using this single statement. Okay, so if you have any doubts about how we can achieve this, you can go ahead and post your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.